Hi, I'm Kieran, Customer Success Manager here at Skycatch. Today we're going to go over how to set up the Edge1 to log corrections in the field. The Edge1 is both a GNSS receiver and data processing unit. What this means is that you can collect high accuracy data and process it immediately, producing 3D maps in less than 30 minutes. So let's begin by setting up the Edge1 on a tripod that has a clear view of the sky. The Edge1 has a mask angle of 15 degrees, so everything above 15 degrees from the horizon should be visible to the Edge1. Now that the Edge1 is well positioned, let's begin by turning on the device. We're going to press and hold for 1 second and then for 2 seconds, powering on just like all other Skycatch devices. The ring will flash and then the indicator LEDs will go blue once it's fully powered. Next, we're going to use the iPad and connect to the Edge1 device. The Edge1 gets its internet connection from a cellular network and then broadcasts its own Wi-Fi network for other devices to connect to it. So I've got my iPad here, it comes in the kit. It already comes bound to the Wi-Fi network, but if you want to connect another device like your iPhone or even your computer, you can connect to the Wi-Fi network on the Edge, and the password is Edge1-AP, all lowercase. Now that the Edge1 is fully booted, we're going to open up the Edge1 app and choose one of 2 positioning modes. The Edge1 has self-positioning mode and known point mode. Self-positioning mode is the simplest way to operate the Edge and what we recommend for most customers. To operate this, we simply select our RTK network account and tap the PPK control slider. The Edge1 will begin to receive an N-trip stream, and then once it acquires a stable RTK fix, it will disconnect from the network to begin static logging. The lights will turn green, and then I'm ready to go. So known point mode is very useful where there's no RTK network available, and this means known point mode can be used anywhere in the world. All it requires is a survey benchmark, so a known point, and in that case the Edge1 should be placed directly above that point. And after that, all I'm going to do is enter the base position. I'm going to enter the latitude, longitude, and height above ellipsoid. Make sure that you use 8 decimal digits for the latitude and the longitude. Any less than that, and you're actually not telling the Edge exactly where it is, and you're not going to get the centimeter accuracy that the Edge1 can deliver. Now that I've begun logging with the Edge1, I'm ready to go fly my mission. Check out our next video on how to plan a mission with Flight 1 for that. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.